of tornadoes twisted through the United States, the worst hurricane in her history strikes France. Not since the roar of the Allied invasion has normally placid Normandy witnessed such devastation. In a few short minutes, hundreds of homes are demolished, scores are injured, and thousands made homeless. The hurricane reached its full fury around Évreux, where there was a crippling loss in the rich farming area. There is little to be salvaged from the wrecked barns and farmhouses, and farmers who look forward to a bountiful crop year now face complete bankruptcy. The loss will run to billions of francs.